and persistence. Persistence, how many consecutive ticks has signal been the same direction? Okay, lag features here, momentum, rolling statistics here, time of day features here, interaction features, count features created. Okay, clean features here, handle NANs, nons, I love non. Walk forward splits here, create walk forward splits here. Here's the rest of it. Okay, you see it all. You can just pause and rewind the video if you need all the code. I'm just trying to be brief with it as everybody's asking for shorter videos. Define time windows, check if we have enough data, get indices. Okay, step forward here, then evaluation metrics here, evaluate binary classification model. Then here's the basic classification metrics here, and then here's the confusion metrics, and then here's the win rate. Expected value is important, EV over 0.2 is important, baseline here, print metrics here. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Feature importance here. Get top features. Okay, perfect. Print feature importance. Nice. 777 to you, dude. Test the utilities. Load sample data. Okay, great, 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 great. So you guys see all that, and there's another one I want to show you. So I'll go ahead and write down my notes here because I got 2 more models I want to show you, and I'll show you those in a second. So show off 2 more models so you have all the code. Okay, she's still rocking. So, oh no, she's done. She's done. So original files v1, perfect. So we got all of them that we need here. So let's go ahead and read through this. Perfect Dr. Daydog. Here's what we've accomplished. Completed today. Enhanced data collector. Okay, so we got the OFI data collector. Nice. Version 2. I'm gonna get that running right now. Matter of fact. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that running. I have the first data collector here. I'm gonna put the second one here. I'm gonna say conda activate tflow, activate tflow. Okay, and then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna grab that OFI data collector 2 here, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the data that I'm collecting. Okay, I'm gonna scroll through all the code real fast. OFI data collector here, you can see the data storage here, OFI parameters, return calculations, the WebSocket to Binance. Everybody's asking about that Binance WebSocket. Here it is. Price tracking, tick direction tracking. Okay, great. Data collection buffer. Okay, awesome. You see opening the WebSocket message, calculate the prices, the mid price, the spread, the micro price. The micro price is the new thing that we added here because it's going to be a new feature for the ML models. Calculate OFI metrics here. If we have previous data, perfect. Track quote updates for churn, collect data points. Just want you to see everything. I believe in you, dude. Olanando, what's up, bro? Calculate multiple level OFI, calculate total volume, calculate OFI velocity, calculate OFI acceleration, calculate OFI Z-score, calculate depth and balance, calculate volatility. What's up, Ragraf? What's up? How are you doing? 777. Track quote updates for churn calculation. Calculate churn here. Calculate VPIN, which is volume synchronized probability of informed training or trading. Calculate forward returns here. Calculate forward returns for multiple time frames here. Collect data point. Collect enhanced data points. So this is a way better set of data that I'll be able to run different models on, and then hopefully they build a README for me so I can come back to this in like 2-3 days once the data is all collected. But I'm about to run this exact file for 2-3 days on my computer and collect the data from the Binance WebSocket because nobody else is doing this. So just trying to get an edge on everybody else, but I'm gonna keep showing everything because I believe code's a great equalizer. I believe if I give, then I'm gonna get way more, dude. I'm sorry. You give, you get. That's it. 777. That's the vibe. Okay, so you saw that code here, copy path here, and then I'm going to go ahead and say cd up in there, okay? And then I'm going to start collecting this data. You just saw all the code for the data I am collecting. You can see starting collection here, and boom, we're going to come back to that in 2-3 days. Perfect. So I'm going to write that on my note sheet too. Let's see here. OFI ML MD. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna say show off 2 more models. I gotta do that later. Come back to let's say come back to been collecting data for a couple days. Come back to this and test. Okay, perfect. So Shima, what's up, bro? 777, bro. Model 1, okay. Let's see what else is here. completed today. OFI data corrector. So we have these new features, which is micro price, edge, spread in basis points, quote churn, cancellation rate, VPIN, toxicity, tick direction, and momentum. So ready to run Python. Okay, we're gonna run it for 24 to 48 hours. Model 1, 3 models built today. Logistic regression. So I'll go ahead and go over this file in a second. 5-second forward returns, expected 54 to 56% AUC was 30s. Advantage is fast, interpretable. Model 2, that signal was too weak. This is light GBM. Model 3, tiny TCN is 10 seconds built. Predicts 10 seconds returns using temporal patterns. Architecture 3, casual dilated conv pool sigmoid. Expected 58 to 62. Okay. Documentation, it made the documentation as well. Currently running Model 1, 30-second logistics, still training after 12 plus minutes. Testing 30-second prediction on V1 data. We'll finish soon, likely week like Model 2. Okay, what to do now? Start V2 data collection, done. Okay, let this run for 24 to 48 hours. Okay, you saw the code for that. After 24 hours, train the new model, train new models. Okay. Once you have V2 done, perfect.